Hello everyone and welcome to the live show. Welcome guys. How is it going? All right, it's Monday morning and it's another day to look at the market and see, possible scalping opportunities to make money in the crypto market. All right. Welcome guys. Welcome. Who is joining me here this morning? Guys? Who is joining me here this morning? All right, let's get it rolling. Okay, wherever you're joining from, guys. We'll look at the market this morning. Actually, I was following up with this token during the weekend. I don't know how many of us actually, saw opportunities to trade this token to the downside and all of that. Yeah, actually sent. I think I sent the signals for this, and then it played that very well. So after pulling back down here, we had a bounce at that 618 level, guys. That is why we say that the 618 level is our magic level. That is why it is called the golden level, guys. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Okay, I'm still paying attention to this token because it seems that at the moment, I think I saw that on the weekly time frame. Yeah. So it seems to have found a base here. So we pumped this week to around over almost to $10 level, and then we started retracing back. But I still see a level up there at $11, $12, $13. Okay, so pay attention to this in case this candle, actually turned green. I see this going back up to that level. But yeah, let's just pay attention to this token and see how it goes. We'll pay attention to that token and see how it goes. Okay, currently BTC, guys. Let's look at BTC. BTC, I expected, a whole lot of changes on BTC over the weekend, which didn't happen actually. All right. It didn't happen. So BTC is still sitting down there and still expecting. So currently we're still sitting down here, just slightly below the 200-day moving average, guys. All right. And let me go to the daily time frame. So currently where we are seated right now, we just wait for a breakout of this zone here. All right. If a breakout happens, it can either happen to the upside or maybe to the downside. So whatever happens, we are going to, follow suit. Okay. We are going to follow suit. Just let me know the tokens you traded over the weekend. Okay. Let me know on the chat the tokens you traded over the weekend or the tokens you are looking at trading today. Okay. So that we'll look at it together and see what we can achieve. Before then, guys, okay, the trading competition for the gate.io is still on, and this is coming to an end in 23 days from now. And the 21 sets of iPhones, okay, there was actually a live stream last week for the giveaway. Some persons won this, and one person from my team actually was on the winning list. Okay, so I want you guys to join me right now. Okay, all you just need to do is if you go to the description of this video, all right. The first link here is to sign up for a Bybit account. The second link there is to sign up for a Gate.io account. If you already have a Gate.io account, it means that you can actually participate in this ongoing trading competition, guys. All right. All you just need to do is to, click that link, come join my team. If you scroll down here to where it says join a team, all right, just type in digital. Yeah, my name, the name of my team is Team Digital. Okay. I currently have 4 people on my team. I need more people to join me. Okay. Can we make it at least 10 persons? All right. Can we make it at least 10 persons? Okay. Joining me will require that you qualify to come draw. All right. Draw this. On Thursday, we'll be having a Twitter space. I will let you know when that happens. Okay. For another giveaway of the iPhones, iPhone 15 Pro Max, we are giving out, 50 set of iPad and all of that. So please, all it requires is just have a minimum, I think 100 USDT on your Futures account. Okay. Once you sign up, make a deposit and transfer 100 USDT into your Futures account. You'll be able to register for this and come in here to join my team, guys. All right. And if I get somebody who joins my team either before the end of the live show or after the live show, just let me know on Telegram that you joined. And I have a special gift for you. Okay. Just let me know that you joined and I have a special gift for you. All right. So I will be taking trades on the gate.io exchange from now until the end of this competition. Let's see if you can stand a chance to share in this $5 million that is being given out. All right, guys. So join me and let's do this. And another good thing that you need to understand is when you come in here on the startup, okay, the startup, you can actually benefit a lot, getting a lot of free tokens on the gate.io, startup option. All right, most especially when you attain a VIP level, you get a whole lot. Let me see if there are tokens that are in progress right now for the startup. Yeah, I think I subscribed for one this morning or thereabout. Okay, yeah, so these ones are finished already. Yeah, look at this. Look at all of this. This one is currently in progress. Okay, you get free airdrop once you join the Gate.io account by just holding at least $500 in your account. Okay, you can use that $500 and buy any crypto asset of your choice. All right, and then if you attain a VIP level, okay, if you attain a VIP level, you probably get free access to getting these airdrops. Okay, before these tokens are listed for trading, they go through this phase of the Gate.io startup program. Okay, so it is token launch platform for innovative and advanced projects. So you can claim free token airdrop, all right, and when they are listed for trading, you go ahead and trade those tokens for money. So if you gain access to VIP level, like let's say VIP 5, VIP 6, you get free access to this, whether you have money on your account or not. You keep claiming this every now and then, all right? So this one is in progress. You see that every day as it's lined up here, every day there is a project here that you can actually start with, guys. All right. So Gate.io has a lot of opportunities for you to win free tokens and all of that. So I just decided to share that with you. If you want to take advantage of that, okay, go ahead and do that. Sign up for a Gate.io account and participate in that. But above all, my giveaway goes to anybody who would join, that lucky person that would join my team right now. So if you do that, let me know in the comment section if you are doing that now, or let me know on the Telegram. All right, guys. So with that being said, let's go. Okay, I'm starting with Dieting. Dieting has listed YGG. Yeah, I had YGG on my watch list. TRB Cyber. Let me start with Cyber. Cyber is actually a very funny token, actually. After pumping to over $16, $17, all of a sudden, that token dumped to around $6 as at the last time I checked. The last time I checked, the dump happened to $6. Okay, we are now recovering, right? We went to as low as that $6.5 level. And right now, we are recovering from that, guys. Okay, this cyber is just recovering. So after pumping to over 16.6, we had that dump. Definitely, okay, that's what you should be expecting. Anything that pumps must definitely dump. Which is why I say if you miss the pump, guys, always pay attention to trade the retracement. Okay, always pay attention and see where you can pick the trade to the downside, guys. All right, so for cyber right now, what should we be doing? Let me go to the daily time frame and see how far this actually pulled back to. So if I bring my Fibonacci retracement to take it from there to that high there, so you see that we are rejecting at that 786 level. All right. So if you have been paying attention to cyber trade or this cyber token of a thing, all right, you would have picked trades at that 786 level, and that would have been in profit already for you. So for now, I'll be looking for buying opportunity for cyber. All right. I'll be looking for buying opportunity for cyber. So if I go to time frames like the 15 minutes time frame, remember we are rejecting from that 786 level. So what I wait right now, let's see if we pull back down to that level. So I'm waiting to take a trade from here, okay, at $6.4, $6.5 level. That's where I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside, guys. And then I'll put stop loss slightly below. And then my first target will be the 618 level. And then I can target up to that 5% level and all of that. And if we do go back, go up and all of that, so I can target to as high as that level. If this plays out, okay, this is a very good risk to reward ratio, guys. A 1 to 13, okay? This 1 to 13 risk reward ratio. So if this happens, you'll be making a lot of money. So for cyber, I'll be looking at picking trades down here, okay? Let me see. There was over $1 billion in the, turnover the last time I checked. But right now, let me see if we still have that much money in cyber on the Bybit exchange, okay? Sorry, where is that? My futures trading option. Yeah, let's go to derivatives. Okay, go to the derivatives option. We have a lot of tokens making doing well on the top gainer. So let's look at cyber right now. Okay, yeah, look at that. So it was just a pump and dump stuff, guys. It was just a pump and dump stuff. So a few days ago, there was over $1 billion, all right, in this. Turnover for past 24 hours was around between 900,000, right? I think 900,000 or thereabout to $900 million to $1 billion in this token. Right now, it's just 200 million that we're having here, 288 million. So it means that the big boys who are actually pumping this have taken profit. So they are dumping the market right now, which is why you see that token actually, from 16 cents, from $16, all right, from $16.6, it went to as low as that $6.4. So be looking for buying opportunities from here. I don't know if this will continue to drop, but yeah, I'll be picking trades here with just a stop loss slightly below that area. So if you want to trade cyber, dieting, if you want to trade cyber, okay, go ahead and do that. That's what I'll be looking at. Okay, I'll be picking trades on that area. And then if that, okay, if this setup is invalidated, if we don't get it right, we put our stop loss slightly below that area of $6, and then we'll get out of that trade and be looking downward. Okay, we can be looking down here at $3, $4 to take trades to the upside and all of that. All right, so that's what I'll be looking at for the cyber trade. Then for YGG, let's look at what we have on YGG right now. So if I go to YGG, okay, this is the setup, or this was the setup that I was looking at for the YGG trade. So I told us, until we break either of these areas, either of these levels, you take trades accordingly, guys. All right. So if you have paid attention to this area, though this didn't get to our area of 26 cents, but it did rejected from that 200-day moving average, right? So we did rejected at that 200-day moving average or around that 26 cents or thereabout, but it didn't get to our entry. So if you have been following up, all right, you see that the first time we rejected at that 200-day moving average, we came down here. We rejected the again, we came down here. So this is the third time we are rejecting the again. So the 200-day moving average is serving right now as a strong resistance, right? It's serving right now as a strong resistance. And what I'm looking at is picking trades to the upside if we get to 20 cents currently or 21 cents. Okay, currently we are trading at 22 cents. So wait for YGG to come down. If it does come down to that level, you'll be picking trades from that area to the upside, and your target will be that 200-day moving average. And if we break above that 200-day moving average, guys, I see a move to the upside. Okay, we can go to around 30 cents, okay, or even to as high as that 60, 80 cents. Where did we even start dumping from? Yes, around that 70 something cent that we actually pushed up to. Okay, so yeah, for YGG, I'll be looking to pick a trade down here at this support level, guys. Okay, so if we come down there, I'll be looking to pick a trade down there and then target that 200-day moving average. All right, so this is my setup for a long trade for YGG. If we do play, come down to that area, I'll be picking a trade to the upside. That's what I'm looking at for YGG. Diet saying if you're going to trade that, okay, pay attention to that too. Then TRB USDT. Let me just take a screenshot of this and this setup and send to the Telegram in case you're not seeing this. All right, so for YGG, this is what I'm looking at. If it does plays out, this is the trade setup that you're going to take, guys. So let me take a screenshot and send to the Telegram so that, for future references, you can equally follow that and see, how best you can trade that, guys. So always remember that the entry is where the gray, the one they price in gray, okay, around 21 cent is where I'm looking to enter. Then the stop loss will be 20, and then take profit will be around that 28 cent level. All right. So that's the setup of what I'm looking at. All right. So let's see if that plays at YGG USDT. Stop. All right, so if you're not on the Telegram group, guys, you can go to the description of this video and then use the third link there to join us on Telegram. All right, I'm still waiting for somebody who will join my team on the Gate.io trading competition. Okay, just go ahead and join and let me know. I have a gift for you guys. I have a gift for you. Okay, let's trade this together and make some money for ourselves. Good morning, Beauty. I'll come to your token. So the next token is TRB. Okay, let's go to that TRB and TRB USDT. Yeah, let's look at that and see what we have here. Okay, so for TRB, so we just rejected at that resistance level. So we have a resistance up here, right? Yeah, this is where we first rejected there, and then we tested that area again of $16 level, and then we rejected massively from that area, guys. So initially, what I was looking at on the 15 minutes time frame was these levels here. All right. This were the when we're consolidating, right? I said a breakout, you take a trade accordingly and all of that. So we broke out of that level. So these levels are no longer valid. Let me take it out because we've broken out of that level and currently we are trading below it. Okay. So for this trade, a good area to actually take a trade to the downside would have been at that resistance, right? A good area for us to take a trade down would have been at that $16 level. All right. But right now we are trading between this resistance level. So here can be our support. All right. Just slightly at the 200-day moving average. We can use this area here as our support. Okay. So let's see if we come bounce at that support area, then we take a trade in as much as we are above, okay, this 200-day moving average. So if we come back here and take a trade, we'll be looking to take a trade up there. All right. So a good area to short this would have been at that 16 cent level, $16 level, but we rejected from there already, so we missed that. Right now, we'll be waiting for this trade. And there are two scenarios I'm looking at, okay? Either at the 200-day moving averages that's $12 level, all right? That will come down to that $12 level and take a trade there. Or I want to see a rejection at this area here, okay? A rejection at this area I'm looking as a support, okay? So here will be our support area. Let me change that to a support. Okay, so here will be our support area for now until we break below that area. So I'll look at the 200-day moving average to pick a trade to the upside or at this support, okay, or at this support. So these are the two areas I'm looking at taking a trade for this particular token to the upside. All right, so that's saying if you are following on with this trade, okay, just let it play out and then you take a trade accordingly to the direction that you want. But anything below this 200-day moving average will no longer look for long positions, but will look rather for a short position, okay? So for TRB, that's what I personally will be looking at to play out. So if that works out, then we can trade it and to the opposite direction. So for audio, let's look at audio and see. This is the setup I had there before. When was this? That was last week. Yeah, this is the setup we're looking at last week. So if you actually took this trade, it means that you would have taken profit somewhere around this 15-cent level. So if you took this trade, you would have taken profit around it because when they came back down, went up again. So I will still maintain this position. Okay, I'll still maintain this position in case we come back down there again. All right, I will still maintain this position, guys. If audio comes back down to that area again, you should be looking to take a trade to the upside. And remember what I said, even as even when we are targeting that high, all right, you can target these areas here. All right, this one would have been your first take profit level here, your second, and all of that. Until we break this structure here, this area is still very valid. Okay, so if you are going to trade audio, I will still wait to pick audio at down there at that 18 and 14-cent level, right? If audio comes back to 14-cent level, I'm going to be picking a trade from there to the upside. So I will probably send this to the group. My long setup for audio will be to pick a trade down there at 14, and then I'll be targeting that 16-cent level, right? So if you want to trade audio, this is personally what I'll be looking at. And let me snap this and send to the Telegram. So this will be audio USDT. Audio USDT long setup. Okay, so that's what I'll be looking at, for the audio trade. Let's see how that goes. All right. Yeah, for audio, that's what I'll be looking at for. And, this token ate my money seriously. SNX. Yeah, this token actually ate my money because I think I longed. Look at this. Hey. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this token. So eventually, after I closed my trade, it actually had a pump. Look at that, guys. Yeah, exactly. So I closed my trade around $1 plus or thereabout. I can't remember. Yeah, I closed my trade somewhere around there. So after closing my trade, this actually had a pump. Okay. Yeah, look at that. We had a breakout of the trend line. Yeah, we've broken out of that trend line. So, yeah, it's a good area. We start looking for buying trades right now. Okay. Yeah, we can use this area that we rejected from as our support. So the whole of this zone here would be our support area, guys. Okay, so yeah, so this is actually recovering. This is waking up and all of that. This is waking up from what I don't know. Okay, so for what of for this trade, okay, we'll be looking for, yeah, let's wait for a retest, okay, of that trend line. We just broke this trend line, guys, right? So we just broke out of that trend line. So what we'll be waiting for right now is a retest of that trend line. A retest would be a good area to be taking a trade to the upside. Okay. Yeah, this there's a pullback here, but we didn't get to as low as that trend line level. But anything between 1.9 to $2 level will be areas I'll be looking for a long trade. So what I want to see play out on this is, maybe we'll come back down to this area like this and then use this trend line this time around as a support. Then we can take a trade to the upside. Okay. So for my long setup, I'll be waiting for this to return back to this area here. Let me show you. So if we do return to this zone here, this area here, just at that trend line, guys, I'll be taking trades to the upside. So for this particular token, your long setup will be, let's pick a trade here. Okay, let's wait and pick a trade here. Then we can target that 200-day moving average. All right. So that it's saying if you are going to trade this token, this is personally what I will be looking at for. All right. So if this plays out, wait for it to come have a retest at that trend line, then we take a trade to the upside. So I'll equally take a screenshot of this. Okay. I'll equally take it. Let me remove this so that I don't get you confused. I equally take a screenshot of this and send to the group, the Telegram group, so that you can go ahead and take the trade if you want. All right. So yeah, at that $2 level, we'll be taking trade to the upside and then put our stop loss just at 1 point, $9. Okay, $92. So this is SNS, right? That is for SNX USDT long setup. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for that trade. So if you place that, I'm taking a trade to the upside. All right. So that's what I'll be looking at for all the tokens you mentioned there and all of that. Let it have a pullback down there, and then we'll go ahead and take a trade to the upside, guys. Yeah, let's wait for a pullback to that area, and then we'll take a trade. Okay, yeah. For I think that was the first token I look at. Okay, Nelly, UNFI USDT. That was the first trade I was looking at. So yeah. Okay, so for this particular token right now, I told us that we just had that bounce from the 76 level. Yeah, this was the area we're looking at during the weekend, over the weekend, right? When I sent the signal to short this trade to the Telegram, it was around this area, and then we broke out, right? We came back, rejected at that. Was this the token I was looking at initially? $9. Okay. 618 level or 7, okay, 618 level. Yeah, that's where we had the bounce from. Yeah. So when we pull back, right, this pullback here came and bounced off at that 618 level. Yeah. So we had a bounce at that 618 level, and currently we are above this. So let me just take this out. Okay, this is no longer valid, so I don't get us confused. Take this out as well. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. So if you are looking at, actually trading this token right now, currently we are above this area of support that I was looking at initially, right? This was the support area I was looking at. Okay. Sorry, the resistance area I was looking at. So if I go, I think I actually mapped out that on the weekly time frame, right? That was the area of resistance we're looking at, but we broke above that. As you can see on the weekly time frame, this candle closed with the body above that resistance level. So we want to see this trade actually use this area as a support, which is what you are seeing here, right? Using this area on the 15 minutes time frame, you see that we came back down to that area, we didn't break below it, and then we had a bounce there to the upside. Okay, so if this token actually retraces back to that level of $8.5 level, okay, you should be looking to take a trade to the upside. All right. So what I'm looking at currently is either we retrace down, all right, either we pull back down like this token pull down to this area here. All right, I'll take a trade to the upside, or I'll just wait for a breakout of this area, guys. So I wait for a breakout of this zone here that we just created right here. Okay, wait for a breakout of this zone that we just created here. Maybe we break to the upside, you pick a trade there to the upside. But if not, if we break below, then you should be looking at picking a trade. I want to see this support, okay, this resistance that becomes a support now to hold, right? We came back down to that zone there, we rejected, went back up. So I want to come back there. I want the token to come back here again and reject and go back up. Okay, so I'm not going to give you any setup right now because we can actually have a bounce from here, break out of this area and continue to go up, or we can actually break this level and come back there, reject from there. But whichever way this plays out, okay, just look at it, okay, put it on your watch list and trade it accordingly. All right, I'll be looking to pick long trades at this 8.2, 8.3, $8.5 level to the upside, or above this $9.5 level to the upside. All right, but anything below this support, okay, once we break below this support and then the support becomes a resistance again, then we can be looking for short trade to the downside. All right, so that's what I'll personally be looking at for this particular token if you are going to trade that. Okay, Rafael, you're welcome to the live show. Welcome, Ashok TV. Okay, yeah, welcome. Please, can you send any setup for the group? Can't really follow the live due to network. Yeah, any setup, okay, any setup I have, I think I've sent some already. So sorry about that. Sorry about your network issue. Yeah, I've sent any setup I have here right now, send them to the group as well. Okay, so yeah, yeah, good morning everyone and welcome to the live. Just let me know any token you want me to look at on the chat, okay? But right now, if I go to my Bybit marketplace, I think I have some tokens doing very well right here. Let's go to the derivatives option. And then I have GTC, okay, currently up. I have BLZ equally up there. I have this Z Hi-Fi, okay, HIFI stuff equally up there and all of that. So yeah, we'll look at these three top gainers and then see possible areas we can be taking trades on this. All right. Sorry, I started the live stream a bit late, but yeah, you know, let's just look for areas to trade. Let me start with the GTC token and see if we can, get a trading opportunity. GTC, let me do GTC USDT, guys. Okay, yeah, guys, welcome. So smash that like button for me. Smash that like button for me as always. Let me go and take a trade. Look at that. We just rejected at that 200-day moving average, guys. So we rejected at that 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average. That's where we rejected from. So okay, so for this particular token right now, let me go to higher time frame and let's see. Yeah, this is no longer valid. So guys, we have our resistance here, though we broke above that area, right? Broke above that area with that wick up there. So currently this wick is, just trading at that resistance level. So it means that this is a false breakout, right? All these whales trying to take profit and get the other person liquidated. Okay, so the areas of interest we'll be looking at for this particular token would be, up there and then down here as our support level, guys. So we'll look at up there and then down here as support. So we'll trade this token in between this area. So if I go to my 15 minutes time frame right now, yeah, I want to see this break below this area, guys. I want to see this break below this area and then we'll take a trade down. So let's see if that can actually, let me take off this, yeah. So if we hold this level here, guys, if we hold this level here, I'm taking a trade down, right? So I'll be looking to short this token right here, guys. My short setup will be, somewhere around that area and then target this area down here. If this plays out, but if it doesn't hold, okay, If we do shoot up this area, that's why you need to do this with a very tight stop loss, guys. All right. Do this with a very tight stop loss. So I'm going to be here would have been a good area to short, but we just came back down. So I'll be looking to short from this area here, and then I'll be targeting that level down there, or even the 50-day moving average. Okay, the 50-day moving average and all of that. So that's what I'll be looking at for this particular token. But if we do break above this area, then be looking to take a trade to the upside. Okay, if we do break above this area, be looking to take a trade to the upside for this particular token, guys. Okay, yeah. So let's wait for this to play. Let me go back again to the daily. So in as much as this candle is not closing above this area, guys, we'll be looking for a short trade from here to the downside. That's what I personally will be looking at, okay? Because of this strong resistance area up here. So I'll be looking to take trades from there to the downside, guys. So if you want to, you can say, take this trade. So my entry will be at that 1.24 level, okay? And then take profit will be at that, either $1 level or the 0.99 zero level, okay? And then put your stop loss just slightly above at $1.2 or $1.3 level, okay? So that's what I personally will be looking at for this token. So if that plays out, that's what I'm going to do. But if you do break above that level, let's say we shoot up to the 200-day moving average, 1.36 will equally be a good area to take a short trade. Okay, 1.36 will equally be a good area to take a short trade. I'm not entering any trade right now, but I'm going to use market order to enter this trade if it plays out. All right, I'm going to use market order to enter this trade if it does plays out the way I am actually projecting it should. Okay, so if you want to pay attention to this token, do pay attention to that and trade it accordingly. All right. So let's equally look at BLZ as well and see what's going on with that token BLZ USDT. So currently BLZ is above this our resistance level we had here, right? Remember we had this resistance there which we've been trading since all this while. So we broke above that resistance level. As you can see, we have a lot of candle closing above that area. So we went up to as high as 15 cents. Right now we are trading at that 13-cent level. So for BLZ, we'll look for new levels right now on the BLZ trade. Yeah. BLZ is always fond of having these wicks to the upside and then dropping. Okay. So yeah, you always see these massive wicks up there and the rest. So yeah, this area here is equally another area we should pay attention to as our resistance up there. Okay, which is where we are currently, trading right now. Okay, that is where we had that week rejecting from and all of that. So for BLZ, I will do a quick short. I'll do a quick short for BLZ to the downside. So let me go to my gate.io and see. I'll take a quick short down here and I'll target this level of 12 cents or thereabout. Okay. So if you want to do BLZ, you can actually go ahead and do that. Let me take a quick short trade on BLZ right now on the gate.io exchange. So guys, who is joining me? Gate.io trading competition is on. Okay, all you just need is trade with the Gate.io exchange and stand a chance to share in this $5 million, and you equally stand a chance to get iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, just join my team and then you qualify. You can equally invite your friends to join. Okay, invitations will equally give you an opportunity to win iPhone 15 Pro Max and all of that. Okay. So for BLZ, I'm entering right now with market order. Let's see how that plays out, guys. So I enter BLZ with market order, and then our targets. Let's do our shorts like this, somewhere there. So we'll do like a 1 to 2. Yeah, a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Let's do that. And then put our stop loss slightly above that level. Okay. Let's see how this plays out, guys. So take profit will be 0.128, okay? 128.92. Then we put stop loss at 0.148. So open, yeah. Guys, take advantage of the gate.io trading competition. So let me see how this plays out, all right? I'll see how this actually plays out. Take advantage, okay? The startup, I just showed you how to get a lot of free airdrops and the rest, okay? Take advantage of this, guys. Just go ahead and join my team, and then you get a lot of free tokens for yourself. And then if you attain VIP level, guys, that will be massive for you. If you attain a VIP level, that will be massive for you because every airdrop that that the DIO of the tokens Gate.io have on their startup, okay, you qualify to get those tokens. You can get those tokens, okay, for free, okay, for free. So I'm going to do one right now. Yeah, I'm going to do one right now. There's this CoinNext, right? CoinNext, this one, right? As you can see where it says claim free airdrop. So I'm doing that on my phone. I don't know if you can see that clearly. I'm doing that on my phone right now, and I can claim free airdrops there, guys. Okay. All right, this is starting in the next 42 minutes. So once it starts, I can, stand opportunity to, claim free airdrops. And then I have another one that is starting. Okay, this one is 20 hours from now. Another one in 1 day. A lot of them, okay? So in as much as you're a VIP member on the Gate.io exchange, you can be claiming this free airdrop. At times, this airdrop runs in hundreds of dollars, okay? You can get depending on that is why I say VIP. Okay, VIP will give you opportunity to get more quantity of the token. So once it's listed for trading, if you get 1,000, if you get 2,000, okay. I had a token that was listed for trading. I think I got about I can't remember, is it 50 something of those tokens? And when it was listed for trading, it traded at $3 or thereabout. Yeah, it traded at $3. Okay, it traded at $3 plus. So those are the benefit of becoming a VIP member. But personally, okay, basically why I'm inviting you to Gate.io is to join this ongoing competition, guys. Okay, go to the link of this description, sign up for a Gate.io account if you don't have one already, and then come in here on the team here. Once you come in here where it says team registration, click there and then come join my team, guys. If you join my team today, before the end of today, let me know. I have a gift for you. All right, I have a gift for you, and then you'll be able to qualify. So whatever trading activities you take here and all of that, you'll be able to qualify to share in this $5 million. And then by Thursday, hopefully when you join now, okay, by just joining my team, okay, you qualify to draw this. All right. So by Thursday, we'll have a Twitter space. I will share the link on my Telegram. We'll have a Twitter space discussion for the raffle draw. So whoever win this, we are going to give those to the person. So you just come in here and draw. Whatever you win here becomes yours. You may be, lucky to win the BMW, okay? Win some Shiba Inu token or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Any of this you win will become, yours and all of that. And going forward, if you want to use the Gate.io exchange, please do, because this startup, they have, as you can see here, they have completed over 833 projects, okay? And then they have, raised over over 100 million, okay, approximately $100 million in this project. And you see the number of participants, okay? And then total donations and all of that. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of this, guys. Take advantage of this, all right? Okay, guys. So yeah. Okay, let me look at this other new token here. I don't know what is it. Hi-Fi or whatever. So HIFI USDT. Let's see what's the token about. What is this about? Let's see higher time frame, guys. Okay, it's newly listed token. Let me see if that is equally available on Gate.io. And since it's newly listed token, guys, I'll be looking for more of shorting trades. Okay, shorting this trade. Let's see if that is available here. Hi-Fi. Yeah, it is. Okay. So I just put in some money here with very low leverage. Okay. I'm going to short this. Okay. I'm going to short this. So if I take this area here as support before, as a, yeah, a resistance, now we broke above that area. We're currently trading above it. Let me see. Yeah, we're currently trading above that area. So if I take that level as a, you know, resistance, we can take this level here as our support. So if I go to lower time frame, guys, I'll be looking to, I don't know if this will get here, but I can even enter at 55 cent, 54 cent. I'll just be looking for short trade. I know this will definitely come down, right? It's newly listed token, so I don't see it, except let's even see how much is, this has done, like, yeah, 46 million, 50 million. Okay, where is it? Where's the stuff? 46 million in the past 24 hours. Okay, 46 million, that's the volume. The turnover this has done in the past 24 hours. Yeah, there's a lot of money in that as well. And then on the gate.io, what has the turnover been here for gate.io? Okay, turnover here is over 8 million dollars. Yeah, $8 million. So it means there is more trading volume on Bybit than the Gate.io exchange. But yeah, I'm going to take advantage of this token. I'll be looking to short this token if we get up here, right? I'll be looking to short this token if we do get up here again. I'll be looking to short at that 57 cent level. All right. So you can take a quick shot from here, that level, and target this down area here. Okay. So let's see how that plays out, guys, and then put your stop loss slightly above at 61 cent. All right. Let's see how this plays out. This is what I'll be looking at. Where if this plays out well, that's how I'll be trading this token, guys. So I'll pick a trade here. When we get up there, I'll pick a trade and I'll take it to the downside. That's what I'll be looking at. Okay, so if you want to trade this token, go ahead and do that. Smash that like button for me, guys. If you're just joining the live stream, smash that like button and let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see how this setup, how this will go. So let me equally take a screenshot of this and send to the Telegram. Let me remove all of this so that you don't get confused. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking at doing on this token right now. So let me send this to the Telegram for those who wish to trade it. So the token is called HIFI USDT. Short setup. All right, so yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for that token, guys. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Who is still here with me? Okay, I believe everybody is busy with work today. Okay, so I see that somebody's still here. All right, guys. So basically, I will be calling it a day here. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been an awesome day. So look at all the tokens I've sent on the platform, on the Telegram. If you're not on the Telegram, join us. Okay, using the links I have on the in the description, and then go and join my trading competition, guys. Go and join me on Gate.io. Let's do this together and win some prizes for yourself. Let's do this together. All right. Thank you for being here. Smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Join me on Telegram where you get access to free signals every day. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow during the live section. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy yourself and have a profitable week ahead. Bye bye.